Yo, what up YouTube fans? This is your boy C-Fat Kurt, and I'm back in here with another video, man. We're talking about today the Galaxy Z Fold 5G game, 3-fold 5G. And pretty much I've already done an unboxing of this phone and everything. What we're talking about now is how my process went with the Samsung device protection plan. You know, when I first purchased my Galaxy Z Fold 5G, Galaxy Z Fold 3, I made sure I purchased the Samsung protection plan. And the reason why, man, because you just never know what might happen, especially with a device of this price, this caliber of price, this caliber of sophistication and whatnot, everything going on with it. You just got to be ready, man. And although it comes with a 1-year warranty, the Samsung device protection program makes it so much easier. Okay, so I was trying to go through the warranty process, but they transferred me over to the device protection. So I'm like, okay, all right. They trying to charge a brother a fee, but at the same time, they realize they still treat it as a manufacturer warranty through the device protection plan, meaning I don't have to send my device off. I can wait for one to come to me and then send my device back and not have to worry about it no more, which makes this a breeze, man. So today I finally got my Z Fold 3. I've been waiting on it. I contacted them last Monday, and here today is Tuesday. My device was on back order all last week. Finally came. I got an email actually yesterday saying the device was in and it was delivered today. So I guess they expedited the hell out of that thing, man. But I got it today, and man, I'm just blown away, man, by everything they've done. The issue that I was having though, a lot of people may have been having the same issue. I'm not sure, but I was reading on some forums where people were saying that they were having to constantly turn airplane mode on and off, and it was just aggravating, man, having to turn the data connection on and off, or having to restart the phone altogether, which is the major inconvenience, man, and nobody has time for that. I wake up on days in, days out, and I would have like missed calls. It won't show missed calls. I just have voicemail, but my phone is notifications is on and everything. I don't have any missed calls, so I'm not getting my calls. It's just aggravating, man. So I'm missing phone calls, missing communications with people, rather be my wife or anybody calling me on data, like one of the voice, like you know, like what's the little voice service called, Duo, Glide, all that stuff. You know, try to send a message, it's taking forever to send out. Have 5G on the screen, but it say you have no data connection. That's the type of stuff I was experiencing. So I've been on and off the phone with T-Mobile for about since January, going back and forth about this issue, troubleshooting and things like that. And finally the guys stepped out and they said, okay, you're gonna have to reach out to your, you're gonna have to reach out to your manufacturer so that you can see about getting you another device. And that's pretty much what it's gonna be about. Let's see. So that's exactly what that's about right there. So what we're gonna do now is just we're gonna power it up, man. See if we notice any things different about it that would make this newer device more compatible, because you know, I got my phone, and when did it come out? I pre-ordered it last year, and I was in the earlier stages of T-Mobile and Sprint switching over, but when I did it, I requested a T-Mobile device, so I'm not sure. Maybe it was, they say, a hardware issue. I'm not sure. But one of the things that we can talk about, being that I've owned this phone for about 4 months now, just some likes and dislikes of the phone that I have. For the most part, man, I like the phone a whole lot. It's slimmer. It feels better than the previous model. It's a tad bit, I think it's a little heavier, but I don't know. I was looking at this compared to the new Ultra S22, and I like this better. I think I've grown onto the big screen. The big screen is phenomenal, man. It is amazing. You won't want to go back after having a screen this big. And the convenience of being able to fold your phone like this and just put it away, it makes things so much easier, okay? So right now, what we need to do is we need to get this phone turned on, and we need to get it activated, which it shouldn't be a problem. They make the process so easy. The main thing is getting all of my data off of this phone to this phone, in which we're going to end up doing the Samsung transfer, which makes it a breeze. Okay, so we're going to definitely do that. And you want to also make sure you have your cloud services up to speed, you know what I'm saying? Like, make sure you're backing up pictures on a regular basis so that when you have to switch devices like this, it's not that hard because you have everything already backed up. Okay, so everything's already backed up. You're not sweating the fact that you're going to have to erase everything off your phone because you know it's backed up on the cloud service somewhere. Okay, so that's what I'm saying with that. So we're gonna go ahead and start this process up right here. I gotta insert a SIM card to connect to the T-Mobile network. I had a tool, but it does come with the installation tool, and actually, I'm sorry, SIM card tool. So that's what we're gonna use. And I got so many of these things around the house. I even got one on my keychain. They come in handy. You never know when you might need to pop something open or something like that. So if you got some extra SIM card tools, just throw it in your keychain. You'll be amazed at how convenient that thing comes in handy at the darndest of times, you know what I'm saying? So this is a 512 gigabyte device. All right, so SIM card. Oh, I'm about to say, where my SIM card at? Wrong phone. All right, so, but yeah. But pretty much, gang, I'm going to handle this on the side. I just wanted to come to you and talk to you about Samsung device protection plan, let you know how Samsung's taking care of me. And oh yeah, back to some things I dislike about the phone, like and dislike. Again, I like the phone. I don't want to go back to another type of device as far as anything less than a fold. What I don't like is this little thing they put on here when it was cold. You know, when it starts to get cold, like when I'm doing stuff outside, I have my phone sitting on my car. The temperature started to drop. This plastic, I guess, started shrinking or something, but it lifted. And down this whole center, it was lifted. And then I closed my phone and go back inside the house, and the following day, it'll be back attached to the phone. So something else I noticed is, wow, this hinge feels so much stronger on the new phone. So it does wear down a little bit, but the hinge is still strong after 4 months of use on here. It's just, I can notice a big difference when closing this one. It doesn't close nowhere near as easy. It requires a little bit more force. I'm not gonna say nowhere near, but you can definitely tell a difference. The difference in as far as how easy one closes compared to a new device. But yeah, gang, just want to come to you, man, share that little experience with you. Other than that, man, I can't think of anything else I dislike about the phone, other than these little sorry behind screen protectors that they send out with the phone. Yeah, I have no complaints. I'm truly amazed with the Z Fold 3. I'm happy that I got a new device though, because one day I had my phone sitting on the concrete, standing up, folded, recording me, and it fell backwards and it kind of cracked the lens on some of these cameras. So I got me a fresh phone, you know, without any cracks or anything like that. And I got a screen protector to help me avoid those. Well, I got an actual protector, you know, to help me avoid those issues in the future, unlike when it fell the first time with this one. So hopefully I can avoid that in the future. And this didn't work on my phone. This phone here, when I open this, it's turning on. It didn't do that on this one. Never did that. I was wondering why I never did that. So, cool. When you're using this case, it's good when you're resting your phone to put it down, face down, so that this cover will stay in the correct form so it don't open up and then your screen is popping on and off like such. Other than that, gang, that's pretty much all I got to share with you right now at the moment. That's yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and start transferring my data over from one phone to the other. I just had to spit them gems to you, let you know what I experienced as far as what led me to request another device. And in the meantime, man, it's your boy C-Spec Kurt. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back to you with some more stuff, man. I'm trying to work on things. I'm trying to get these little videos pumped out and whatnot. I feel like I'm backlogged like crazy, man. So in the meantime, man, it's your boy, and I'm out of here, man. Peace.